See my wristwatch, no dey move. Not funny.
This is not funny, babe. Alright. Bye. And bye is the past now. I'll stop there. Alright. Now it's time for me to go out. I need to be in Garimpa to get some makeup stuff, and if I have the time, reweave my weave underneath this wig. So come with me. I woke up with a swollen eyelid. Before sleeping last night, I started feeling the itching, like tinkling, just this discomfort. But this morning, this is how it looks. I'm torn between just chilling and watch it, or just go to the pharmacist or eye clinic or something to have it checked. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. The swelling on my eye seemed to be reducing, so I'm happy about that. I eventually went to the pharmacy to get medication, so I think it's helping. The discomfort has kind of reduced, so I'm glad about that. Cotton, behave. Now, I just finished washing my hair with black soap. It's a routine that I used to do, so I'm just getting back into it now. And I also I did it myself, leave-in conditioner for my hair. So I want to apply that now.
inside. Reaper, no rough play. No rough play.
Those people now, here now.
What is
I want.
You know that campaign now, government now, they just come to come observe the area now. As they come observe the area, you know, say, you don't see all those camp people, they come that side. Now people who don't know now, and then as they see them, their body they take.
So they come there like before.
People over there need to come now. Or if they can't take like that, they go. But this one's will come. Now, as they come. That is, they buy 10,000 naira give them, and they still promise them say they will give them fee.
Okay, they just go. No be say they just now so they always come where they go sort them abi.
They don't come.
Wait, na Amak people. Abi na FCDA.
Those FCDA people now.
All those tax force people abi.
No tax force. Those people for land now. The FCDA land.
Okay.
So now them. So as they come that day, they find them something. They say they promise them say they will give them like 8 feet. So they try to gather the money that they give them. They never give them the piece. I want to make it go post that thing.
Okay, they don't come before. Chidi compost. Okay, now I understand.
But now yesterday, you say 15.
Now yesterday he post them abi.
Yes, now
They
yesterday.
don't come. They come. So if you are there, the people not complain to bring the fish out.
Okay.
Actually now he put that one out to put there.
For their body.
Okay.
Now I understand. I understand like that. I understand.
Because as they don't say, people say they want to see, they don't give. But we don't tell them things, these people don't come. More to put up on platform. Even at 500 naira, everybody go pay. You go now buy it for anybody who they sell fish. Even at 500 naira, they carry all. If they don't promise them fish. Make them just come there, even at 500 naira.
Wait.
Chidi promised them fish.
Now fish Chidi promised them.
They promise them fish. They give them 10,000 naira that day. They give them 10,000 naira that day. They say they will give them fish.
Okay.
Like, they come that day. They're like, hey, welcome. So the promise them say they will give them fish. You understand that?
I understand.
Niger.
That is the purpose they have now.